How to do the ask me anything on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can do the ask me anything on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to do the ask me anything, which is one of the popular filters that is going on right now, all you have to do is go ahead and launch a Snapchat application here. Once you launch a Snapchat app, you just need to go to the explore section by scrolling all the way to the right hand side of the screen. Once you scroll all the way to the right hand side, you'll be taken to this explore tab where you want to tap on explore, and here in the search box you simply want to type in ask me anything by Ravi Rao. So that is the filter that we want to use. Just type in ask me anything and then type in Ravi Rao over here, as you would be able to find it. So let me just go ahead and correct this one. Once you go ahead and type in ask me anything by Ravi Rao over here, you'll see this filter right over here, which is Ravi Rao. So you want to make sure to tap on this, and this is the filter that we want to use so that you can go ahead and basically use anything that you like. So now you can go ahead and basically record whatever you want, and now you can go ahead and be able to use the filter on Snapchat. That's all it takes to do ask me anything on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.